It's crazy to think how capable the cameras in smartphones are today. While the flagship smartphones always had great cameras, the same can't be said about mid-range smartphones, especially around 2 to 3 years ago or earlier. But this year, we saw some very capable cameras in two affordable smartphones. And these are the Honor 90 and the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G. The Honor 90 and Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G are nearly identical in terms of specs, performance, and more importantly, price. These two phones retail for around 25,000 pesos, making them quite affordable if you're looking for a new smartphone during this latter half of 2023. But perhaps what's interesting is that both of these phones come with a triple rear camera highlighted by a 200 megapixel main shooter. Both smartphones even use the same sensor, Samsung's ISOCELL HP3 sensor, which is a large 1 1/4 inch sensor. As a result, you can capture some really great images when you're using the camera of either phone. But which phone takes photos and videos that suit your style more? I'm Jose, and today let's do our comparison of the Honor 90 and the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G. Let's start talking about the specs first. As I mentioned earlier, both smartphones use Samsung's ISOCELL HP3 sensor for the 200 megapixel main shooter. Together with the main shooter, the Honor 90 comes with a 12 megapixel ultrawide and macro combined, along with a 12 megapixel depth sensor. Meanwhile, you can really see the world up close, as Realme says, with the 11 Pro Plus 5G. Together with the 200 megapixel main camera, you get an 8 megapixel Sony IMX355 ultra-wide sensor and the 2 megapixel macro sensor. Aside from taking photos, both phones are also capable of shooting 4K at 30 FPS video. For this video, we'll be mainly talking about the 200 megapixel main camera. With that, the majority of the photos you'll be seeing in this video are captured using the main shooter of the Honor 90 and the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G. Given the capabilities of the sensor, it's no surprise that these two phones can capture really great images in almost all lighting conditions. I mean, they use the same sensors after all. But the difference comes down to how each phone processes the image. Based on the images we captured while shooting around Capitol Commons at night, the Honor 90 does seem to have more digital enhancement as compared to the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G. Now, just take a look at these two photos of the Capitol Commons sign, for example. You have the brighter images and more contrast in the Honor 90, but because of the digital enhancement, some of the highlights in the background become blown out. As a result, you can't really tell what that sign is saying. Also, the photos seem to have been smoothed out to reduce grain given the low light conditions. But because of this, you do lose some details when you zoom in on the photo. Mind you, this was shot in the 200 megapixel mode of the Honor 90. In comparison, the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G processes the images a bit more naturally. It's a bit darker, but it's nearly identical to what your eyes would see if you were standing there at the same time. You have less to no overblown highlights in the background, but the result is a bit more darker photos. The plus side is, the photos have more texture and clarity when you zoom in, since the phone doesn't smoothen out all of the details. Another good example is this photo of Locavor at the somewhere along Estancia. You can see more contrast in the image processed by the Honor 90 as compared to the one on the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G. It's also a livelier looking image too. When you zoom in, you can clearly see more details in the photo processed by the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G. For shooting at night, you might like the look of the Honor 90 more if you don't want to edit the photos and post before posting them on social media. But if you want photos with a more natural look and retain more details, the Realme seems to do a better job at doing that. So far, we've shown you street photography photos taken by the two phones at night. But how does it do when you're shooting in places with better lighting conditions, such as inside a restaurant? Now, the differences aren't as obvious as compared to when I was shooting outside, but you can still see how the enhancement of the Honor 90 kicks in as compared to the one on the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G. Just take a look at these two photos, for example. Both of them are sharp overall, and even if you zoom in on either one, you can still make out the details of the kitchen. Noticeably, you get a brighter photo on the Honor 90, although some of the highlights are a bit more blown out once again. Specifically, if you zoom in on the light on the ceiling where near the kitchen fan, you can see what I'm talking about. You can see the details of the grooves of the light itself better on the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G as compared to the Honor 90, which seems to have bumped up the highlights to give users a more vivid photo. Zooming out again, you'll also notice the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G has a more natural color balance, giving more accurate colors. Meanwhile, the Honor 90 processes images with what seems to be a cooler tone. Perhaps the best example of how the two phones process images can be seen in this photo of a tasty order of gyoza. After everything I said, can you tell which one is shot by the Realme and which one is shot by the Honor 90? Well, if you guessed that the one that makes the gyoza look a bit more overcooked is taken by the Honor 90, then you guessed right. Here, you can see that the blacks, shadows, and contrasts are a lot more intense, giving the photo a more dramatic feel. But like I said, it does make the gyoza look a bit more overcooked compared to how I saw it in person when it was served to me. If this is your style, then I'm sure you'll like it. But if you want a more natural, neutral style image, then the photos processed by the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G seems to be more oriented for you. You can see some details of the table are retained underneath the shadow of the plate. In comparison, the Honor 90 shows that part of the image as black and there's barely any detail retained. The gyoza in the image taken by the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G also looks a lot more identical to how I saw it in person when it was served. Interestingly, the photo of my ramen did look a bit more natural on the Honor 90 as compared to the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G. The bok choy garnish has better looking greens and more accurate colors. The image processed by the Realme made it a bit yellow-green, and the photo itself looks a lot warmer than it should. But enough of me talking. This is a photo comparison after all. Here, we'll let you see some of the side-by-side photos of the same image captured by both the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G and the Honor 90. Try to guess which one is taken by which, and which one resonates with you more. As you can see, there is an obvious difference between the two despite having the same sensor. That's also about it for this 200 megapixel shootout between the Honor 90 and the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G. These two phones are no doubt great at capturing images in all lighting conditions, but the difference is how they process them at the end. Some of us here at the Yugatech HQ prefer the more dramatic look of the Honor 90, while others prefer the more natural images produced by the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G. But which one do you like better? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you're interested in either the Honor 90 or the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G, both of these phones are now available and on sale in the Philippines. You can even check out our review of them now live on the Yugatech website. If you enjoyed this video and hopefully found it informative, do hit that like button, subscribe to our channel to watch more. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, and visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Ase, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.